Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a TOMEI exhaust on this 2020 STI. Pretty fucking heavy. Are you recording all this? Alright, so this is the TOMEI. This is Andy. Show Andy, guys. This is his TOMEI. That's his STI. So Andy, get over here and unbox your new exhaust. Let's see what's in here. Wanna come on by? Check everything out. Also, if you guys need parts, let me know. I hooked Andy up with these parts through a friend of mine. Got it for a pretty good deal. Right, Andy?
Yeah.
Came in pretty quick too. It took a day. One day. Alright, so we got license plate frame, badge, stickers. We all know stickers is the most important part. Screw the exhaust, screw everything else. You want the stickers. Hangers. Stuff. And more stuff.
Cool.
You know damn well he's not going to be using this silencer. He wants the loudness. That's why we got the exhaust. Hey guys, had to switch to the fisheye just because I'm filming myself right now. My girlfriend went inside, checking her dog, but we got the TOMEI unwrapped, ready to go. Look at that thing. So this is what a brand new exhaust looks like. Full titanium. Pretty dope, huh? The next clip is going to be us taking off the stock exhaust on this thing, and then I'll show you the exhaust side by side, how big the stock one is compared to that one, and yeah, let's get this thing started.
Ihaksi.
He brought his Type R. Hi, Tony. Hello. Can't even see the exhaust right now, but we did that probably about a week and a half ago. Sounds way better. Woo. That shit's huge, huh?
And where is it gonna go in this one? Really?
It weighs next to nothing.
For real, super too.
All titanium. No, it's TOMEI. TOMEI. It's a TOMEI. Alright guys, so I got all the bolts and nuts off the exhaust. The only thing left to do is take the exhaust off the hangers and to put on the new one.
Is it almost there? Oh, it's out.
Yeah. Finished?
Holy shit! Told you this motherfucker huge! Look at that!
Alright, not for the other bitch. Other side, other side, other side.
Leave that one on there.
Look who just came home. Hi, Ashley. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Mean Dog. Gotta go over this side real quick. I was about to say, don't stick your fucking eye right under there, dude.
Ihaksi.
Alright, so this is the stock one. Ugly as hell. Look at them toes, bro. Hey, what's up, dog?
In my hands.
Damn. You're actually working. Alright, Tony, turn on the car. Let's see how it sounds. Straight down pipe.
Cheers. Ah, this is not lucky when I didn't do shit.
My fucking hands are dirty, asshole.
Nitro. No.
Start.
Don't keep it on for too long, though. Take it out of gear.
Make sure it's on the truck.
Give it a rev. Alright guys, so since we got it out now, we're gonna start installing this fat fart can. Yeah, look at that. Dude, I'm taking,
Do you even know your name?
I'm making guesses right now, okay? I'm hoping this works.
Do you even know your name? You didn't even record it.
That's fine. Okay, let's go. You got it now. Come on, Tony. You got this. Alright guys, so that was the TOMEI install on this brand new 2020 STI. Andy's stoked, I'm stoked, Tony's mine, and yeah, that's today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share this video too, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, bye guys.